This activity is called Dancing Raisins, and it really is part of the observe and wonder thinking routine, because it just, every time you see it and you're observing, it just makes you wonder, what's going on here? So let's look and see what we need to make this activity come together. You're going to need some vinegar and some baking soda, some raisins. Ideally, leave the raisins out overnight. If they're a little drier, it just seems to work a little bit better. Some kind of measuring spoon, some water. And the first couple times you do this, it might spill over a little bit, so have a little bit of paper towel around to help you out. And with that, we can get started. So what we're going to do first is add the water. And then once we've added the water, in our directions we say half a cup, but it's really 50-50 is the key in terms of the amount that you're going to be using. So you just sort of judge it based on the cup that you have. And then once you've got that added in there, you can add the equal amount of vinegar. And then once you've added the equal amount of vinegar, it's baking soda, and then we can add the raisins. And now that we've added the raisins, you can see we spilled it a little bit. I've got some paper towel for that in a second. But there's our dancing raisins. And as we zoom in closer and look at those raisins, and in your class, when you're all looking at it, why are those raisins dancing? Why are they going up and down? There's a lot of science going on in there, but I think we can observe and collect some evidence that might help us infer what's going on with those raisins. The dancing raisins. It's a fun one.